You search for how to buy shares of Transgene SA. This company is a French biotech focused on immunotherapy and gene therapy, listed on Euronext with the ticker TNG.PA. This walkthrough is educational and not financial advice, so always do your own research. To buy TNG.PA, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TNG.PA to find Transgene SA. Make sure you select the listing on Euronext to locate the correct share. On the stock page, check the basic company details and look at the price chart to confirm this is Transgene SA. Verify the exchange shows Euronext and the ticker TNG.PA before continuing. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details including any fees and the order type before confirming. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the order executes, you will see your Transgene position appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the description below for the eToro link if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.